You'll love this 3-bedroom, 1-bath home with plenty of extra living space on Sheboygan's west side. On the first floor, you'll find the formal dining room that opens to the living room and is a perfect space for hosting gatherings with family and friends. The large kitchen has plenty of storage and extra counter space, and you'll appreciate the welcoming front foyer with pocket doors. But one of the best parts of this home is that there is a laundry room on the first floor. Upstairs, you'll find a full bath with a walk-in closet, 3 spacious bedrooms that also have walk-in closets. Outside, you'll find a spacious backyard and a large front porch. This home also features a new roof, a new furnace, a new AC unit, plus it's located in Sheboygan's Indiana corridor neighborhood, known for its friendly residents and great community spirit. So what are you waiting for? Come see this wonderful home today by calling 920-395-1927 to schedule your private showing.